What is coaching to get an ex back? My name is Coach Adrian, love and relationship coach. And in this video, I wanted to talk about our coaching sessions that individuals all over the world have benefited from in order to repair their broken relationships. And I wanted to explain to you that our coaching sessions are based off thousands of hours in the field with individuals who are walking a similar path than you are walking. And so giving you the chance to leverage the experience of thousands of people to help you navigate your process of breakup recovery is the purpose of our coaching sessions, to help you reach your goal of creating a new and improved relationship while making sure that we help you avoid mistakes, to save time, to increase your chances of getting the result that you want with less effort, because you're not going to make all of the same mistakes that so many others have made before you. Coaching sessions are also meant to be action-oriented. We're not going to go back and analyze every single element of your past. We're going to make sure that we quickly understand what happened to help you figure out what actions you need to take in order to reach your goals. It is also a way for me to provide you with both hope and an assessment of your chances of reaching your goal. I want to provide you hope because I know that at the time of a breakup, you have very little hope. You think that all hope is lost, that your situation is unique, that your ex is the most stubborn person in the world. But based on the experience that we have, we can provide you with hope, but hope that's grounded in reality. Hope that's based on an honest assessment of what it will take to reach your goal. So my goal is to help provide you with an action plan in order for you to have both a short-term plan of what to do next, as well as a long-term vision of what it will take, not just to get your ex back, but really to create a new and improved relationship to help you set the foundation for success once you get back together. So there are no gimmicky shortcuts, tricks to try to manipulate your ex into taking you back out of fear or out of jealousy, because that's not sustainable. It's truly about laying the right foundations to help you guys move forward in a healthy, happy way. Coaching is support from an unbiased source, because I am not as close to you as perhaps a friend or a family member would be. And unfortunately, when you are too close, it is very difficult to have the perspective to help someone navigate those very tense situations and moments that occur after a breakup, around a separation or a divorce. But by being removed and having a certain level of experience, I can help you navigate those steps in a more effective way. I'm also not hurt by your partner's actions in the same way that a friend or a parent would be, which enables me to give you that feedback that perhaps they cannot give because they are too close to the situation. Coaching is also about keeping you accountable, making sure that you stay on the path that we've set, that you're not going to make excuses. And really, it's about keeping you accountable to the goals that you have set, while helping you also figure out different blind spots that you may not be able to see because of a lack of experience or because of the perspective, you being so close to the person that you're trying to create a new relationship with. Ultimately, coaching is also about truly understanding what went wrong and why, so that you don't repeat the same mistakes during breakup recovery or once you get back together. Because the point is to create a healthy relationship with this person, one that has the chance to continue to grow and to progress. Lastly, coaching sessions are also about providing you with answers to your questions, answers to your most pressing questions, so that you feel good, you feel comfortable, you understand the path ahead, and that there are no doubts. And a lot of times, Individuals will book coaching sessions just because they want to ask specific questions about their specific, unique situation. Ultimately, the decision is yours. When you feel ready to take that step, when you would like us to work together, I will be here, our team will be here, ready to help and to assist you and to empower you to reach the goals that you will set during our coaching session. You are fighting the good fight. I am so proud to be part of this journey, and I thank you for your trust. Take good care.